Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Vicarious on bass. We'll start with the main riff, which is the backbone of the song's verses. This riff is crucial for setting the groove, so focus on precise timing and clear articulation for each of its 8 notes. Practice slowly at first, ensuring every note rings out distinctly. This foundational pattern will build your confidence for the rest of the track. Next, we'll tackle the pre-chorus and chorus sections. The pre-chorus acts as a build-up, requiring a smooth transition from the verse. When you hit the chorus, the bass line opens up, featuring more sustained notes that provide a powerful foundation. Pay close attention to the dynamic shifts here. The contrast between the driving verse and the expansive chorus is key to the song's impact. Moving on, let's explore the bridge and outro. The bridge introduces a slightly different rhythmic feel, offering a nice variation from the earlier sections. For the outro, you'll encounter sustained notes and some subtle slides, which are essential for capturing the song's atmospheric conclusion. Focus on maintaining a strong, clear tone throughout these parts to ensure every note resonates with impact. Finally, let's discuss some practice tips and tone considerations. Using a metronome is vital for developing precise timing and consistency across all sections. Experiment with your basses, pickup settings, and amplifier equalization to achieve that characteristic vicarious bass tone. Remember, consistent practice, even just 5 to 10 minutes daily, will significantly improve your playing and mastery of this challenging yet rewarding song.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.